Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. In our last session we have done articles. What we have done? We have learned about the definite and indefinite of uses and uses of a and the in that article. Now today we are going to solve our textbook exercise. Okay. Number A. Choose the correct indefinite article. I told you that what is indefinite article, that is a and the are used in a singular countable noun. Okay, जहाँ हम count कर सकते हैं. And a and the in a and an is not used before in uncountable noun. जो count कर सकते हैं उसमें a and लगाएंगे और जो नहीं कर सकते उसमें हम we will not put anything. Number 1. I bought a and pair of shoes. So what we'll do? The pair of shoes we can count. So it is a countable noun. So what we will put? I bought a pair of shoes. Next. I saw a or an movie last night. I saw a movie last night. Number 3. Amy is a or an spinneret. Amy is a spinneret. Number 4. She read a or an amazing story yesterday. An amazing story, because a is vowel, so we will use an. Rest you will do it by yourself. Okay, so students, page number 22b. What do you see in the picture? Put the tick or the cross in the boxes. So this picture is given, you have to see what is there. Okay, and the sentences are given, you have to see that it is there or not. So you can see a aeroplane, mountains, cloud, bird, tree, balloon, dog, cat, old man, old woman and flowers. Okay, let us see we will match through it or not. A boy flying a kite. There is no boy and is not flying any kite. So we will put a cross in it because it is not there. Then number 2. A dog running after a cat. Yes, a dog is there and a cat. He is chasing the cat. So we will put a tick over there. Then a girl playing with balloons. Yes. Okay, she is a girl. So she was playing with a balloon. Yes. A child eating an apple. There is no child and no one is eating an apple. So we will put a cross in it. Rest you will do it by yourself. Okay. So number C. Use the definite article the wherever necessary. If you do not need the article, then put cross. In the given paragraph, okay, this is the article, this is the sentences given and you have to put the article the in it. If you do not want to put or it is not suitable in that sentence, you have to put cross in it. First we will see. Hi John, I received in dash, I arrived in dash USA last Monday. So I arrived in the. It is suitable because in the USA, it is the name of the country. That's why. We left dash Rome, few over dash. We left dash Rome. We have the Rome. It is not suitable. So we will put cross in it. Okay. Then few over dash, few over the and nahi hoga. So few over we will put cross. And make a quick stop in dash London. In London only. Okay. Then we went shopping in dash Harrods. The Harrods. Okay. So Then visited dash, visited the tower and enjoyed a sunny afternoon in the Hyde Park. Rest you will do it by yourself. Okay. Number D. Read each sentence below. If the article used is correct, write correct. If the article used is incorrect, rewrite the sentence after correcting it. You have to write the putting the article sentences is, if it is right, then it is right as correct, and if it is incorrect, then you have to write it by yourself. First one. We saw a alligator in the swamp. It is right. So write we saw an alligator. It will be an alligator because A is a vowel sound. Okay. An alligator in the swamp. Okay. Number 2. The band director handed a music sheet to the trumpet player. So it is correct. Right? You have to write it correct only. Those sentences which are correct, you have to write only correct. And if there is incorrect sentence, you have to rewrite the sentence. Okay. Rest you will do it by yourself. Okay, so I hope you like this chapter article and understood what are articles. Okay, do the exercise till now. Okay, thank you everyone.